You can't slow down time, technically, but you can learn to slow down your perception of time. You can learn to appreciate the time you have. If you want to learn to take a step back, focus your attention, and break yourself out of your typical routines, you can learn to slow down your experience of time. Focusing your attention. Focus on little details. There are a lot of theories about why time seems to speed up as we grow older, both subjective and scientific. The neural pathways we form as children are almost always new, as each experience is new. It's as if every little detail is significant. As we get older and more familiar with the world we inhabit, however, those little details don't carry the punch they once did. Focus on your breath. Breath meditation is one of the easiest and most common methods of training yourself to slow down and become more aware. Center yourself in basic breathing rituals to be more present in the moment and slow down time. Try progressive muscle relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation is a basic, but formalized way of relaxing your body without doing much of anything but focusing your attention on different places in your body and pushing your presence into those places. It's a way of both relaxing and staying active, and can be a helpful way to focus yourself in a simple activity and slow time. Sing, play music, or chant. Another commonly used tactic of transcending time is to use a repetitive vocalization as a chant, to center yourself and to work into a kind of trance. This can be done by singing, chanting, or by playing music, and is done in lots of traditions, from Pentecostal Christians to the Hare Krishna. Try just sitting. If you ask a Zen monk what meditation is, they will usually say, just sitting. If you ask what Zen is, again, the answer will probably be, just sitting. The big secret to meditation and to slowing time is that there is no secret to awareness. If you're feeling agitated and want to slow down time, just sit. Do nothing. Center yourself in the act of sitting, and just be. Breaking your routines. Change your usual routes. Repetition puts your brain on autopilot, making time feel like it flies. New experiences help slow it down and keep you present. Do the same activity in a variety of locations. Some people like to work at the same desk every day, for the same number of hours, doing the same activities. Consistency does have the effect of making time fly by. But if you want to slow it down, force yourself to go elsewhere to do tasks that you need to do repeatedly. Do things that scare you. In a study, thrill ride participants overestimated the ride's duration by about 30%. Fear makes time feel longer, even if it's not. Explore. The world is a strange and beautiful place that too often we limit to a tiny skull-sized kingdom. We're at home, then we go to school or work, then we come home and watch TV. That's a good way to make time fly by. Instead, force yourself go exploring. Explore your own neighborhood, your own world, and your own head. Do fewer things in a day. If you want to slow down time, your goal should be to take on fewer tasks each day, and to experience each one of them fully and more completely. If you want time to slow down yourself, and slow down your rate of consuming. Stop multitasking. The more you divide your attention into multiple tasks, the more difficult a time you'll have in staying focused on what you're doing, centering yourself, and slowing down the way that you're perceiving time. When you do one thing, just devote yourself to that thing until you're done with it. Practice systematic recall, daily. At the end of each day, try a little exercise. Remember one thing you did today and describe it in as specific a detail as possible. It might be the look your friend gave you after you told a hilarious joke, or a sign you saw in someone's yard, or a particular cloud formation. Be specific and be detailed. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.